Hello friends, welcome back to EcomCorner eBay series. Friends, yesterday we talked about how to set up Etsy shop and how to complete onboarding steps on Etsy. And today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, Etsy fees. How much does Etsy cost for per transactions? So if you are a beginner, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to explain step by step how Etsy charges on each transactions. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to discuss why Etsy charge fees. So let's understand about Etsy fees. Etsy is a marketplace that gives you access to millions of buyers around the world. To maintain the platform, provide payment processing, and bring in customers, they charge certain fees from sellers. These are normal business costs, and if you calculate them properly, you can still make a good profit on Etsy. First of all, Etsy charge a $10 setup fees. As you can see on the screen, we noted it down, and Etsy require one-time setup fees $10 for open shop. It's displayed and charged when creating Etsy seller account. Like in the chapter 1 video, we show you on the onboarding step, Etsy charge for Indian sellers 881 rupees. So it's that one. So let's discuss main Etsy fees. What exactly comes in? The first one, Etsy listing and renewal fees. Etsy charge 20 cents, it means $0.2 fees per listing. This listing is charged whether the item sell or not. If you listed an item on Etsy, you have to pay $0.2 to Etsy, and your listing will be active for 4 months or until it sells. Suppose you listed an item on Etsy and today and tomorrow you got a sale for that item, then again for that item you need to pay $0.2 on Etsy for that listing. Example, if you list 10 products, you need to pay $2 upfront on Etsy. Transaction fees, the second one. This is the main selling fees which apply on your orders. So Etsy takes 6.5% of the item price plus shipping costs plus gift wrapping if applicable. So example, if you sell a product for $20 plus $5 shipping, the transaction fees of 6.5% of 25 is $1.63. So here, this is the complete breakdown over here, and in this you can see the example. The third one, we are going to discuss payment processing fees. In this, in the US, it's around 3% plus $0.25 per transactions you need to pay for payment processing. This may vary by country, but it's usually between 3 to 4%. Example, for $25, the processing fees is about $1. When buyer pay with a card, PayPal or Etsy payments or Etsy charges a processing fees for that. So this is for payment processing fees. The fourth one, we are going to discuss currency conversion fees. If your Etsy payment bank account is in a different country currency, then your listing Etsy will charge 2.5% of total sale amount as a currency conversion fees. So if you sell item internationally, consider setting up a payment gateway like Google Pay or Apple Pay to decrease currency conversion fees. So here is a note for you. Merchants from EU countries with local currency have their fees deducted in euros. The next, we are going to discuss advertising and promotional fees. There are two types of Etsy advertising fees, on-site and off-site. The on-site one, we can say this one, pay per click. You can put suppose $1 to 25 $10 per day to promote listing in Etsy search result. Etsy Plus member get added discount and Etsy ad credit. So if you will, if you are a Etsy Plus member, you will get discount on advertising on site, and also you will get ad credit from them. For offsite ad, Etsy charge 15% for every sellers whose annual revenue is less than 10,000. You can opt out this feature from the Etsy seller account. Or Etsy charge 12% when exceeding $10,000 or more revenue, annual revenue. You cannot opt out this, so you have to always maintain, you always calculate your costs according to that. So next one, we are going to discuss the fees as a Etsy Plus and Pattern subscription. Subscribe to Etsy Plus or Pattern for this benefit. Etsy Plus is $10 per month and Pattern is $15 per month. In the Etsy Plus, you will get advanced store personalization option and discount on advertising. In the Pattern, you will get web hosting tools to create a website with a custom domain through to go and connect it with your Etsy storefront. Next, we are going to discuss regulatory operating fees. In specific countries, sellers are charged regulatory operating fees due to a new regulatory standard for digital transactions, aiming to balance cost with in-person selling fees. Increased business costs have resulted in digital service tax policies. If you want to incorporate these fees into your final product cost, it is crucial to clarify price difference or increase the customer through your store policies. So you can see here we have note down like UK, France, Italy, Spain, Turkey, India and Vietnam. These are regulatory operating fees which Etsy charge. For India, it's 0.29%. Next, putting it all together, let's do a quick calculation with an example. Selling price, suppose $25 including shipping. Listing fees 20 cents, transaction fees $1.63, processing fees $1. So total fees you need to pay Etsy $2.83 in that transaction. So from $25 sale, you will receive about $22.17. This means Etsy takes around 11 to 12% per sale, which is actually lower than Amazon or eBay in many cases. How to handle Etsy fees smartly? Always include fees in your pricing calculation. Use a simple formula: cost of product plus shipping plus Etsy fees plus profit margin equal to selling price. So I would like to inform you that the product which you will be sourced from EcomCorner, our product price and shipping cost, it will be already included in that, plus Etsy fees and profit margin. We calculate everything this for you, and we simply just provide you our product cost as your selling cost. So everything will be included in that with your profit margin also. So don't worry about this. And next, offer free shipping if possible. So this is not for you, just you can ignore. Keep track your expenses using a spreadsheet or Etsy Shop Manager tool. So this will be beneficial for you. So let me show you Etsy store now. Let's see. As you can see the screen, this is the order section of the Etsy. You can see this seller is received lots of order from Etsy. So suppose let's open any one order. Just click on the order. You will see order details and earnings. So you can see over here, buyer paid $25.43, and actually we listed items in $29.99, but we provided a sale event 20% off, so buyer saved $6 in that. So actual item cost now will be 23.99 on Etsy storefront. So buyer pay 1.44 tax dollar. So let's fees and credits. You can see transaction fees 6.5%. For this will be $1.52. Payment processing fees $1.49. Regulatory operating fees $0.07. Tax paid by buyer 1.37. So this is all about complete breakdown of the sales, like how much Etsy charge, how much you earn on this. You can see you earn 20.99 on this order. So this is how Etsy order will look like. You can see over here also. I'm going to show you. This is a payment section on Etsy. You can see available deposit, this one. So you can see Etsy charge TCS, TDS, regulatory fees, this kind of things. So this is all about the things we talk about. So friends, I hope you are loving our dropshipping series, and we are going to provide you more powerful tips. So please stay tuned. If you are new on our channel, please go to YouTube and search EcomCorner, and please subscribe our channel over there. And also you can watch all the series which we created on dropshipping and eBay. Now we started on Etsy. So if you have any query, you can just get in touch with us. If you want to join us on WhatsApp for instant chat, please contact us at 8756-919495. If you would like to connect with us on email, our email is support@ecomcorner.cloud. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, also subscribe our YouTube channel, EcomCorner. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.